Hello, guys. I don't remember the intro. Anyways, guys, we're recording again because it's been like a month. Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
So
I guess we're gonna play. We only have like 10 minutes, so let's do the new prison level because. Okay,
yeah.
no one wants to watch a video like this.
Okay.
Okay, let's go.
Okay. So
Play.
I'm gonna break these bars.
Hey.
Okay, they're broken. Very good. Yo.
That ice stove. Wow, you can jump really high.
I know. Wait, I think I could jump the police officer up there. Oh, okay, never mind.
Hey, why are you hitting my friend?
Look at that face.
This is Sparta.
Oh!
You can't hit him. He's down on the ground. He's breaking up. Get him.
Fuck yeah!
Yeah.
Who else wants to mess? Oh, that's done.
Okay, kill him.
Hey, I saved you.
Hit him in the face. Yeah, do it. Oh, yeah.
I'm just gonna use my fist. I mean my leg. I can't even talk. That's my weapon now. Ha ha ha. Oh.
Yeah. Oh.
Ha ha.
You're gonna die.
At least I killed a cop or two. Back off. Back
He has
off.
a cleaver. Get the cleaver.
I got the thing that you said, the cleaver.
Yeah, the cleaver.
Oh.
You cut off his arm. Someone got taped.
Oh.
You spin my head right
Round when you go down.
Shut up. I think that's copyright.
I think you're right.
So I think I'm gonna do it this time. So, hello.
These guys look so hot. Run!
Oh, damn. That's some slippery floor you got there.
They should.
I don't know.
Yeah, what you said.
Is it dead?
You're about to be dead.
Hey, you're hitting me with a piece of ham. You bastard.
Screw you.
Yeah. Teaming. What? Oh, look.
Yeah, beat the ham out of the people. I mean.
Oh, I get it. Beat the hammer. Oh.
Yeah, beat the ham out of the people. Get it?
Can I run it? Oh, okay, sure.
Boom!
Oh.
Run! Just run across
Yes!
thing.
Orange, the strongest weapon. Yeah. It brought. No, please. No.
You're orange! No!
Ah, the plate. The plate is strong with this one.
Use the force. Ray.
What?
I mean Luke.
Teammate. Oh. No, actually, you can die.
2-on-2 fight. Break it up.
No.
I said break it up.
Hello.
They're beating. Oh! They beat
Oh,
the shit.
some
They
black
killed
guy killed me from the back. That's racist, I think. I don't know. Wait, so your turn?
I don't know. I think so. So
Anyways, guys, sorry for not recording for a month.
we were occupied
Yeah.
with stuff.
Yeah.
Yo, man. What you doing on my treadmill? I think that's what it's called.
Yeah, it's treadmill.
Get off. You wanna mess with me, bro?
He wasn't even.
You wanna mess with me, bro? I'll beat the shit out of you. You dead? Get up, you should.
There's a guy. There's a naked guy.
What?
Oh my god! What? Oh my god!
Why are you naked, sir? Sir?
Sir, put some clothes
Oh god,
on.
no, I'm gonna die.
Wait.
I'm gonna die.
Did he drop the soap? No, I didn't.
Oh, what? Okay, wow.
No.
21 seconds.
That must be a record.
Record of fastest failing, yes. Wait, can we get up there?
Up where?
Oh, yes, we can.
Oh, what's in there?
Ooh, what's in there?
Oh, what?
Yeah, you weren't supposed to do that.
Ooh! What's up? What?
Was that a gun?
Oh my god!
Oh!
Look, pal, look. Oh.
We just found a shotgun.
Oh shit, I missed. Oh, I should have missed.
You suck.
Oh damn, look at that hole.
Oh. He missed.
Oh, dude. Oh wait, what's this? Solitary. Did that? Oh, mama, did that open solid? I think that opened the solitary cells. I don't know.
Yeah, that probably did.
Let's
Oh,
go.
yeah,
What
yeah,
the?
It's the
Wait.
it opened the solid.
Wait. Oh my god, that's the Hulk right there.
Oh my god, it's
That's
Hulk
the
Hogan.
Black Hulk right there.
That's Hulk Hogan.
Oh yeah.
You're gonna die.
I'm gonna beat the shit out of the Hulk. Ha! Yeah, he cut your leg. Right.
No, that's Bob Marley on steroids.
Well,
Shockwave.
What the hell is two? He didn't.
Bob Marley has been
Die.
smoking cigarettes and
Wait, why won't you
steroids.
die?
Run. You have to escape the prison.
What's it? Is that a smoke? Oh, is this a taser?
That's
Correct. Oh yes. No. They're gonna corner me. They're cornering me.
This
Oh, no.
reminds me of something.
No.
You want to know what this reminds me of?
Baseball bat. Peter Parker.
This does not remind me of a baseball bat. This reminds me of what was it?
Oh no. Oh
was it?
no. Oh no.
A towel required. Yeah, that was the game that this reminded me of.
Hell.
Well, yeah, you died.
Well, we suck at this game.
You suck. Anyway, so
You died in 21
Shut up!
seconds.
what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go get that shotgun.
And then you're gonna shoot Bob Marley.
Yes.
Good job.
Wait, can I go in here? No.
Okay,
Uh-oh,
that's
not good,
it.
not good, not good.
Go,
not good.
go shoot Bob Marley.
Oh god!
It's your destiny. Go.
I can't get it!
No.
Yeah!
Get in there. No.
Oh my god! 12 seconds. Wait. God damn it.
That's a new record.
God.
Don't worry. I will.
You will what, huh?
I will go upstairs and
And what?
I don't know. See if there's something in these cells.
No.
Oh, what? Oh, damn! He about to get shanked. Oh yes, let's watch this.
I think he's not gonna get it. No, don't get me shanked.
Yeah,
He
he
killed
got
him.
shanked. I'll shank you.
What a
Die.
pussy.
Wait, where's your shank? Oh, it went through the floor. Here it is. I'm gonna go shank him.
It's a toothbrush.
It's a shiv. Wait.
Oh my god, you
Oh.
popped a hole in his brain.
Oh man,
Oh god.
this shiv is pretty strong. The shiv is strong with this one.
Ooh.
Wait, let's just get a close up of them.
Perv.
Oh no, I'm sorry. I didn't do anything.
Don't drop the
Yeah,
soap.
he totally. Wait.
He dropped the soap.
Wait, what's the key?
You dropped the soap. You dropped the soap and they came in there to kill you.
Yeah. Okay, your turn.
Okay, so I'm gonna do the last one, or
Yeah.
I'm gonna try to survive as long as I can.
Okay.
Sir, he's mine. Huh! He's just running away from me. What a pussy! Get over here! No, not you!
You broke his nose.
Get out of here, Bob.
Ha!
Marty.
He fell.
What a nose.
Ha ha.
Okay, what's this mean? Oh, this place.
Okay.
I don't want to come here. Hopo! Terminator.
Didn't.
Back off, Bob Marley.
No, wait, didn't.
That's such a... Oh my god!
Kill
I didn't do anything
no.
wrong. I'm gonna get up.
Don't do the same mistakes. Don't drop the soul.
I have to get up there. Oh my god.
Then go up there. Run.
Where is it? Oh, I saw it.
There it is. Oh, come on!
What?
Oh my god, the policeman killed. Wait,
What?
I will go get that gun and I will save you.
Oh
What?
my god. What?
Um,
What?
I'll go get that gun and I will
What?
shoot Bob Marley in the face.
What? Get it? How do you get it and I don't? It doesn't make sense.
Open the door!
You released Bob Marley.
Yes, go shoot Bob Marley.
Me? I mean, you're the one playing.
Alright, wait. Oh yeah, I'm gonna go shoot.
It's not Bob Marley
Ah.
anymore. It's John Cena. Oh. Not so tough now, are you, John? You just blew John Cena's brains out.
I'm gonna go drop the soap again.
Don't do it. Don't do it.
Wait, where's the ball? I need to score this shot.
You wanna know where the balls are? Look
Right there.
Look down in your pants, bitch.
I'll tell you. Who the hell likes a No. I didn't even drop it yet. Back off.
Soap.
Wait. I want to throw it in this guy's face.
He's fighting with a soap.
No, don't drop it.
If he does, he's
Drop
gonna
it.
drop the soap.
Drop it.
Yes, I did.
Oh.
You drop the soap and they're all after you.
The kitchen. Boiling water. Isn't the boiling water getting on me? I don't know. Logic.
Oh boy, you're... I think I'm
Okay,
off.
I'm fucked. I am total biscuit, but I'm fucked. Oh no. Protect me.
Shockwave!
John Cena!
Are they dead? Your hand broke. Okay, run! Run!
You're
You're stuck in the freezer!
No! Oh, okay, there we go. I'm free!
Someone kill him, please.
No! Wait, I'm gonna work out. I work out. No! I'm working out today. No, wait, the naked guy said no.
The naked's going after you.
Back off.
Go in the cell, you'll be fine there. Do you actually think...
Yes, protect me.
You're doomed. You are so... Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Well, that's it for today, isn't it?
Yeah, I guess so. Well, anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please leave a like, subscribe, and do what you want. And
Yeah.
bye.